Hey everyone. If you want to make sure your Chrome extensions are safe in 2026 before installing or while using them, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to check Chrome extensions safety step by step. First, always check the source inside Google Chrome. Only trust extensions from the official Chrome web store and avoid unknown websites. Next, read reviews and ratings carefully. I mean, if many users report problems or suspicious behavior, that's a clear warning sign. Now, inspect permissions. If an extension asks for full access to your browsing data without a clear reason, be cautious. After that, check the number of users and update history. I mean, popular extensions that are updated regularly are usually more trustworthy. Next, use Chrome's built-in safety tools. These can detect harmful or risky extensions automatically. Now, monitor extension behavior. I mean, if an extension slows down your browser or shows unwanted ads, it may not be safe. Finally, remove any suspicious extensions immediately. It's always better to stay safe than risk your data. So, yeah, that's how you check Chrome extension safety in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your browser will stay secure, clean, and protected. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Chrome security tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!